Greetings, everyone. In this presentation, I'll be portraying a government agent that will be presenting facts in support of the Hudson Tunnel project. The objective of the Hudson Tunnel project include a rehabilitation of the North River Tunnel, the construction of a new tunnel, the Hudson Tunnel, and the increase in resiliency of the Northeast Corridor rail system. The Hudson Tunnel project will, as mentioned earlier, will include the construction of the new tunnel here, corresponding to the orange line, and the rehabilitation of the existing connection between New Jersey and New York, the North River Tunnel. And just to give everyone a better perspective of the importance of this project, the two important regions, New York and New Jersey, are only connected by the North River Tunnel, which is an essential part of the Northeast Corridor rail system. Imagine that if an interruption occurs between in this red structure here, major delays will be caused in both regions, including regions after New York and also including regions before New Jersey, specifically Washington, D.C. The history of the North River Tunnel include that it was built in 1910 and began operations, and it facilitates movements between the 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 parts of Boston, Massachusetts, and Washington, D.C. And even though it went under several renovations due to structural damage because of its age, a major disaster, Hurricane Sandy, caused damage to the Hudson Tunnel, to the North River Tunnel structure, as it portrayed here in this picture. And here is the current North River Tunnel. It is only again the connection between New Jersey and New York. And at the end of the project, we will have two tunnels here. And this tunnel here, the North River Tunnel, will be rehabilitated, and both of this tunnel will accommodate more trains and also increase passenger safety. Here is the advantages of the Hudson River Tunnel, which include the reinforcement of the Northeast Corridor rail system, again by having two tunnels, reduction in air pollution because two tunnels will accommodate more mass transit compared to one tunnel, and overall increase in passenger safety because two tunnels can accommodate more trains, and which will result in less delays. However, this project has minor drawbacks that include road closures in the affected construction areas, a temporary increase in air pollution because of the construction equipment, increase in noise pollution again because of the construction process, and lastly, a potential release of hazardous waste, which is part of any construction project. Important measures that can address the disadvantages of this project include the limiting the time of idling for construction vehicles, encouraging commuters to use mass transit systems like bus systems in the construction process, and proper communication of the risk and hazards of this project to the public. In conclusion, this project is needed such that the resiliency of the Northeast Corridor region, which is a very important mass transit system connecting all major metropolis cities in the Northeast region, is increased. Also, the passenger safety and experience will be improved since two tunnels, again as mentioned earlier, will accommodate more trains and will result in fewer delays. And as mentioned also, the negative effects of this project can be mitigated or decreased by means of interagency cooperation between the government rail agencies in New Jersey and New York, and overall the Department of Transportation or the Federal Railroad Administration. And our main point to take home in this project is that this project is essential in maintaining the mass transit and economic stability of the Northeast region of the United States. Again, without the Northeast Corridor region, in specifically the connection between New York and New Jersey, mass transit, the travel of people between those two important regions will be affected, and also conduction of proper business, employment, and livelihood also will be affected for the people that heavily use the rail system between New York and New Jersey. Thank you for your time, and thank you for listening to this presentation.